Hi guys, this is Sushmita, your crypto guide, and today I'll be talking about all-time high. All-time high, sometimes also called record high, refers to the highest price that an asset has achieved on an exchange since its inception or listing. For example, if a share of stock is initially at IPO with a price of Rs 5 per share, then trades as high as Rs 20 per share. Before falling to Rs 10 in a certain period of time, we could say that it was an all-time high for that stock at Rs 20. In the bull run of late 2017, many cryptocurrencies set all-time new high records, with Bitcoin setting a new all-time in the mid-December. Each cryptocurrency exchange has a different all-time high value for Bitcoin. It represents the theoretical maximum price that one could have sold the particular asset for, and also represents the maximum price that another trader was willing to pay for that asset during that period. The concept of all-time high may also be applied to the values of market capitalization. In early January 2018, a couple of weeks after Bitcoin's all-time high, the market cap of the entire cryptocurrency market reached an all-time high of about $661.2 billion. Some investors use this data with other technical analysis tools and indicators to predict ideal investment conditions and decrease the overall risks. And this was about all-time high. To know more about such technical terms, do write in our comment section below, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.